DJI has just released a brand new array of drones, and this time, they've created a cinewoop-style drone called DJI Avata. It is incredibly unique and unlike any other drone that DJI has ever produced. The drone has promised to provide FPV flyers with thrilling experiences. Nevertheless, DJI unveiled their new mini drone, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, only a few months ago. It combines the performance of larger drones into a compact form factor, with the two drones having nearly comparable prices but distinct experiences. The question is whether you should get an FPV or a conventional drone. Let's find out. In replacement of folding arms like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the DJI Avata is equipped with a full propeller guard, which, along with its integrated feet, keeps these propellers out of serious trouble from the ground. In addition, DJI Avata has a battery cage that allows the battery to slide and lock. Furthermore, this cage helps protect the battery from accidental crashes. Additionally, these drones are small and lightweight. However, the Mini 3 Pro is significantly lighter than the previous Avata. In essence, the Avata weighs 410 grams, while the Mini 3 Pro only weighs 249 grams. The major drawback for Avata is, without FAA registration, you won't be able to operate the DJI FPV drone. The DJI Avata FPV has a single-axis gimbal, as opposed to the Mini 3 Pro's 3-axis gimbal. Therefore, it is possible that you will need to glide this drone ahead like an airplane. Let's discuss the camera. In terms of FPV, the Avata has a 1 by 1.7-inch CMOS sensor, while Mini 3 Pro has a 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. As you can see, the larger sensor of the Mini 3 Pro allows you to capture more detail in low-light circumstances. However, both drones include a 48-megapixel camera that can record 4K footage at 60 frames per second, and both drones support up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion recordings. However, the DJI Avata can record at a resolution of 2.7K, while the Mini 3 Pro cannot. The Avata FPV has a field of view, or FOV, of 155 degrees, whereas the Mini 3 Pro has a FOV of 82.1 degrees. Apparently, the DJI Avata is efficient in this regard. Talking about performance and what features it has, you only get a pair of downward-facing binocular vision and TOF sensors. With these sensors, FPV Avata does a great job of staying low or flying inside. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, on the other hand, has tri-directional obstacle avoidance, which can give you peace of mind. The DJI Avata is stable because it has Rock Steady 2.0 and Horizon Steady. But the Mini 3 Pro has some creative features that the Avata doesn't have. These are Active Track 4.0, APAS 4.0, Master Shots, Zoom Mode, and Hyperlapse. When it comes to transmission, the DJI Avata can take video up to 10 kilometers away with as little as 30 ms of latency, while the Mini 3 Pro can give video up to 12 kilometers away. Also, if Avata hits something, it bounces back and stays at the same height, so you can keep flying it without crashing it. Plus, if your FPV Avata falls on its back, the turtle mode bring it up again. That's the coolest feature of FPV in my opinion. Not only that, but it also has an emergency brake that lets you stop and hover in place with a touch of a button. The battery life of these two drones, on the other hand, is very different. The Mini 3 Pro can fly for up to 34 minutes, while the DJI FPV Avata can fly for up to 18 minutes. If you buy a DJI Fly More combo for about $200, you can fly for almost an hour and a half. Here, you can see that the Mini 3 Pro has almost twice as much battery life as compared to Avata FPV. Anyway, both drones have batteries that can be swapped out to make the flight time longer without having to wait until the next day. And now, let's talk about the prices. The price of the Avata is $629, while the price of the Mini 3 Pro is $669. But if you want to use them with accessories, you have to pay a bit more. In short, both of the drones look really cool. Design-wise, they are nothing alike, and neither one of them is very stable. But if you want a racing drone or a thrilling drone experience, you should get the DJI Avata. On the other hand, if you want a small, agile drone with a great camera and long battery life, you should get the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So what do you think is worth it? Taking into account how much it costs, how well it works, and how safe it is? I'd love to hear from you. So please tell us in the section below for comments. As always, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video and think it was helpful, like it and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this in your feed. And I'll see you in the next one.